Tittle-Emblica officinalis, also known as the Indian gooseberry or amla, is a highly beneficial fruit with numerous medicinal properties. It is a rich source of vitamin C, iron, calcium, and other essential nutrients. Amla is considered an excellent tonic in Ayurvedic medicine and is used in various formulations such as triphala and chyawanprash. Amla has potent antioxidant and anti-aging properties, which can help prevent premature graying of hair and hair loss. It can be used as a natural hair oil, either on its own or combined with coconut oil, to address these issues. Amla is also effective in addressing various health concerns, such as boosting the immune system, regulating blood sugar levels, and reducing inflammation. Furthermore, amla is beneficial for males, as it can help address problems related to spermatoria and other male-specific issues. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties and can help alleviate conditions like fever, skin infections, and digestive problems. Amla is a versatile and valuable natural remedy that can provide a wide range of health benefits when incorporated into one's daily routine. Amla can be consumed in the form of a mother tincture, with the recommended dosage being 10 drops 3 times a day. It also advises that the mother tincture can be diluted in warm water before consumption. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.